right. Water's getting a little algae green on it, but we got something, I think. This is like our third fish. We had a perch, we had a carp come off. And now, what do we got? Smallmouth bass. Oh, wow. Yeah, we got the bullhead again. Bullhead making a showing. Yellow bullhead action. Get some. Catch and release when you can. Beautiful day to y'all. Let's see what we got now. Okay. Oh, another bullhead. Bullhead action. Yellow bullhead. Get some yellow bullhead. Yellow bully. Bully. Catch and release when you can. Just like so. See you later. Another yellow bullhead. Get some! Bullhead action. And when you can, please catch and release just like so. Okay. What do we got now? What do we got? Yeah. Another bullhead. Look at that green water we're dealing with today, huh? Yellow bullhead action at Cascade Lake in Rochester, Minnesota. Catch and release when you can. We'll swim into the depths. We'll see you later. Thank you for the fight.